Hi, my name is Helena Pliszka, and I'm an air quality data scientist working at the Bay Air Center. I'd like to show you a neat data use case for our air sensor dataset. I'll be focusing on one day from the fall of 2020, August 18th, during which the Woodward wildfire was growing in Point Reyes National Seashore on the peninsula in Marin County, and when specific meteorological conditions led to particularly narrow smoke transport into the San Francisco Bay. Now, this is a great example of how we can use sensor data to track smoke plumes across the Bay Area. Now, this map shows hourly PM2.5 data from two networks in the Bay Area: the established air monitoring network operated by the Air District, shown in squares, and the dense air sensor network, shown in circles, run by individuals and communities. And the general location of the Woodward fire is indicated by the pink star. The sites are all color-coded by the Air Quality Index, which are health-related categories assigned to each hourly PM2.5 average using the Environmental Protection Agency's nowcast calculations. And the breakdown of these colors can be found here in the legend. Now, for each hour, we'll look at a map like this, which will show how air quality changes during the day. Now, starting at 4 p.m., air quality is pretty clean across the region. Now, an hour later, at 5 p.m., the picture starts changing as air quality conditions change from good to moderate on the eastern side of the San Francisco Peninsula. And by 6 p.m., we really start to see a narrow zone of worsening air quality as the PM2.5 concentrations become unhealthy. And in the next hours, levels rise to very unhealthy, reaching San Jose and more of San Mateo County. Now, the Air District's air monitoring network generally shows us these changes over time, but with the denser air sensor network, we can capture more of the zone of influence of the wildfire smoke. Now, this example shows how a relatively small fire had a large air quality impact on a specific area, and also how the air sensor dataset can serve as a great tool for understanding which areas in the Bay Area experienced poor air quality and how conditions changed over time. Hopefully, this sparked some interest in exploring the air sensor dataset yourselves, and if you're interested in accessing this resource, reach out to us at the Bay Air Center through our contact page.